Let's take a tour of True by Hilton at the Charlotte Airport location. This is a great location, especially if you are in the area and going to be taking an early morning flight. Now, all True by Hiltons definitely have a more young vibe, a more vibrant aesthetic, very colorful, definitely a community feel. They have a huge mural in their lobby that is going to be about the city that they are located in. This is where you're seeing where you eat breakfast and just the communal dining areas. They have all kinds of seating locations all throughout the lobbies. They all have power ports, so you can do some work while on the road or just be streaming some videos. It's very much a community gathering space. They also have some food and some drinks that you can buy in that kiosk that you see there on the right hand side, even like a microwave to do the microwave meals that they sell. And here is the pool at this location. We were really happy with the customer service and the front desk staff at this Charlotte location. They were all really nice and very helpful. You will find a community board that is going to be giving you recommendations of where to eat and where to get certain things that is going to be located at each location. So let's take a room tour of the room that we stayed in. We stayed in several True by Hiltons. And upon entering each room, I'm always just thinking I'm entering a dorm room. Whether or not you like that or not is, a personal preference, but it is very much upscale dorm room where everything matches, or living like in an IKEA showroom. Everything's very modular, very colorful, very vibrant, modern, definitely trending more towards modern design, very minimalist. But again, if you're looking for a little bit more plush, I don't think that True by Hilton is necessarily the best choice for you. Now, I have to say, I do appreciate the blackout curtains. I appreciate all hotels that use these blackout curtains or shades now, because nobody wants like the curtains that barely close and then the sun's peeking through. Obviously, this is the view that is outside of our room. So tons and tons of parking that was available at this location. And this location was next to other hotels, and I'll show that at the end of the video. So again, small little workstation. It looks very much like a student desk of like a very young student. I would honestly prefer to work in the lobby area. Big screen TV, which is obviously also very nice to have in a hotel room. But then we're getting down to like the bench. It's not comfortable. It's got an upholstered piece of fabric at the end to make it soft and sit on. These are the places where you hang your clothes. It's just all very different aesthetic. And it's not like a lot of the other locations in the Hilton brand. And again, this is the closet. So if you have a problem with this and don't like not being able to close things behind a door, just keep that in mind. Bathroom was really nice, huge and spacious. Loved actually that wallpaper accent. It's always nice to see a bathroom that looks pretty. Obviously, there is no individual toiletries, so everything from the soap to lotion, shampoo, conditioner is all in these little squeeze things, which we didn't really get to working too well. And then the smell was just kind of overpowering. So don't like that aspect. I prefer something that did not smell. And while we're finishing up showing the bathroom area, I will say that this location is close to the airport. It is also in a location where there are other hotels right there at the same place. So if you're looking for a different brand, you can probably find the same brand right in this area. It's also located very close to the Charlotte VA Medical Center. So coming in for visits to the VA Medical Center, this might be another great place to be staying. And again, this is the hotel that I'm showing, another hotel right there, and then zooming in, and that is going to be the VA Medical Center.